all the news wey we just dey hear, and they don't suspend all the prisoner, all the prison officers. They don't suspend all the prison officers. And Nigeria now they are carried away with one aspect. The question is why they never suspend the chief officer for the prison who they charge. Why they never not be they charge. Now they use people that will not get rank as scapegoat like the way we expect before for this country. We are asking the government to make it who they charge for the prison, so that chief officer, so now they supposed to drop first, now they charge under you wash, now that it happen, so they supposed to sack her first before they supposed to talk anything. Now officers don't know anything. No everything that people want to get connection now want use law tell who. Now they suspend all those people. Now the EFCC will collect 15 million naira so for this case, so una never talk anything about that. Now only prison officers, the one that they pay 80,000, 70,000, only that one get power reach. What are they suspend all this one? So why on knows that the same time they suspend the EFCC office, full station wey made that so una supposed suspend all of them, jail all of them, make the problem. But as Nigerians, we all know now only people no get mad they go for JPS. Yes, the people no get mad they JPS. And people do the thing. They see that position. The EFCC oga where they that state where Bobrisky do that thing. Now they supposed to suspend first. They're the chief officer where they the jail for correctional prison and the rest. Now that one those two they're supposed to suspend. You don't want to investigate this case well. When I leave all those one now, because they don't know there. Now people the want to wear the same message. No, that they suspend. Now so I want to get the justice. Now so I want to arrange the system. So we are asking the government to start the investigation from the head, because they are the one that is charged. So that's what we are saying. That is what we are demanding. If I may start from the EFCC, Monali Correctional Center first. The who they pay 15 million, EFCC office they pay 15 million. Mona go close the office first. From the head. No, I don't call the carry of the paper gulu with the pepper like this.